try to put the dash in. I wanted to smooth out the firewall, but I think I'm gonna have to come back and do that later on down the line. But I'm about to sand down and spray paint at least the inside area, put some a little bit of dyno mat down, or kill mat. I got some kill mat right here. A little bit of kill mat slabs I'm gonna put right there, and then I'm gonna try to throw in my dash just so I can know where the wires go on my paintless wiring harness, and then press on to the next step. All right, sanding down this side of the firewall. I had to remove this accelerator pedal. I'm gonna sand down that area. I already painted behind the fuse box, but I'm gonna clean that up a little bit and then spray paint. Then I'm gonna try to. I got these two holes. I got one right here, which I think I'm gonna just cut that out neatly. And then I got one right here. I think I'm gonna cut that out neatly. I haven't figured out my AC situation, whether I'm gonna do AC or not. But as of right now, I'm not. I'm going to sand them both down, sand everything down, and then spray paint it, and go from there. So finish removing this accelerator pedal, then go from there. All right, I got a lot of it sand down. I kind of smoothed out these holes. I'm gonna try to spray in there real good. I had to take these flaps off. These are the AC flaps. So I'm gonna sand those down. Try to get those smooth. I'm gonna do a little bit of sanding in here. Try to get that straight, squared away. I already sprayed that once, but had low visibility. So I'm gonna try to spray that again and then go from there. All right, I'm about to cut this area out. You can see it's starting to deteriorate, so I'm gonna cut a nice square right there before I spray paint and everything, just so that I can look flush. All right, I got a patch panel in there, kind of squared it away. Got it grinded down around it. I'm gonna have to do some filler and fill it in a little more. You can see at the bottom, I kind of not quite squared off, but that'll get it covered so it's not, you know, a hole under there or anything like that. So I'm gonna break out the welder and see what happens. All right, I don't consider myself a welder, but this is the start. It's popcorning a little bit. I'm gonna adjust it, but I'm just trying to get it tacked in there right now. This is very thin metal. I'm gonna keep welding and then continue on from there and see what we can come up with. All right, we're moving it right along with the welding. Scale of 1 to 10, that's probably like a 2 or a 3. But it is being completed. So I'm gonna push a couple more welds in it, try again, see what I get, and then I want to seal up that hole so when air comes in, it comes through that vent. You know, it doesn't go under the dashboard. So I'm gonna try one more time and then go from there. All right, this is my first weld on the body of a car, so I'm definitely a rookie welder. This is what I came up with. I grinded it down and sanded. I do have a big gap right here, but it's a lot better than it was, you know. I think I'm gonna readdress this later on down the line, but for now, I grinded it down. I'm gonna paint it, and then that's gonna be it. I probably could get that gap a little better. I'll revisit it later on down the line and see how it goes. So I'm gonna just move on. I got it primed down, ready for paint. I'm gonna paint it up and then go from there. All right, I got it painted up. This is the final end result. This is the passenger side. You can see that well. Of course, on 1 to 10, this is about a 2 or a 3 when it comes to welding. It's definitely a lower grade, but I'm just getting it covered, and then I'll go from there. You can see it's all sanded down. I got it spray painted. I'll work my way to these holes next.